Hey there friends, ETPC here, doing another unboxing, and today we're checking out the iPad case. This is for 5th and 6th generation iPads. Let's see if I can see, it doesn't say all the ones that it'll fit. Anyways, I got this off of Amazon for about $28. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. We're going to be moving on with the unboxing. Well, in this case, it's kind of an unbagging here. So that's it for the bag, my friends. And inside we have, all right, this is the case, and that is rather nice looking. Anyways, it has this part too. I'm sure that clicks on there somehow. And also in this little bag, comes with, I'm sorry about this. Okay. Has a little, I'm going to show it to you guys here. Just a second. Oh my goodness. Come out of there, little thing. All right. So appears to be a little install tool. Okay. And a nice little belt here. And it's a good length. Looks like it's attached with a couple little lanyard strips here, and you can like maybe hang it on the back of a seat or something like that. So when you're traveling, that's kind of a good idea. All right, so let's check this out. This is a little plastic thing here, and let's look at the case here. Screen protector. So you can check these out, and one is for YouTube for installation video for the screen protector and the case here. It also has instructions here on the back, which is kind of cool. So it has all that. I just want to talk about, it's all nice and wrapped up in there. The case seems actually really sturdy. So what we have is like a hard plastic external shell here, and that goes around the back here as well. Now this part, now we have the back part here, is a nice soft like silicone type rubber, and the edges, you can see the thick parts here are like a reinforced kind of rubber. Usually if you drop in your iPad or something, it's going to hit on a corner or something, or wherever the least convenient part is. This is going to, seems like it'll provide some decent protection here. These are nice thick pieces of rubber or silicone here on the corners and the other parts here. Also, if it drops on the front, you have space between your screen and where it's going to hit, so hopefully it won't crack your screen. So that's kind of nice too. It also has a tempered glass screen protector as well, so that is neat. All right, let's check out the back here, and it's another kind of cool feature is this right here, and it allows you to, it's got some Velcro on there, which is fully adjustable, this strap here, but you can put your hand right in here, boom, lock that in there, and hold your iPad without it worried about it coming off there. I mean, I could, that's kind of cool. Easy to hold, so you can swipe with confidence knowing that you're not going to drop your iPad. And if you do, this case is probably going to protect it. So pretty excited to get this all set up for you guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. You got your two little, or your different little places here to put your lanyards for the straps for this, so those will feed through there, and you can use your little hook device to do that. I'm going to show you all how to do all that when I do my product review and demonstration, or demonstration and product review. But thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. I didn't take out the tempered glass part yet to show that to you, but I will be doing a demonstration and review, and I'll be putting the iPad in the glass and all that. So I should be leaving a link in the description below. Also, I just forgot to show you something else real quick here if I can. That's kind of cool. So inside that is, I'll show you right there, a little base that comes out so you can stand your iPad on something like that, a table or something. So that's pretty cool. And then that just snaps right back into place. Pretty cool. Lots of nice features on here. Seems to be well built. Thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. I will see you next time, and have a great day out there.